guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download a song from Mureka AI. Right, as we all know, Mureka AI is actually an app you can use to create your own lyrics, style, vocal, and title as well. You can create song and publish it and visit in any app you want to use it for. Right. So how do you actually download a song you've actually created on Mureka AI app? All you need to do is click on me and make sure you already sign in with either your Google, your Facebook, or your Discord account. And once it's done, you can see my songs, and these are the songs I've published. Click on the three dots close to it, and you can see download. The different options you can actually download. Right, there's download instruments and Steam audios, which is Premiere. I need to actually subscribe. You actually need to subscribe for this one, and the next is the download WAV, and it's also Premiere. You have to subscribe, download ownership certificates. You have to subscribe. That's for the Pro, and download MP3 is also a subscription plan as well. So you can either choose any way you want to. Right, very easy and simple. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. This is my next video. Bye.